SmartMap provides situational awareness on a global scale by allowing quick access to relevant devices from anywhere in the world. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to rearrange the order of the custom overlays. We want to move the green overlay in front of the orange overlay. We click Setup to begin. Then click the Manage Default Settings icon. To rearrange the order, we use the drag handle in front of the overlay to drag it to a new position in the list. Layers are ordered from top to bottom in the list. Notice the green spaces overlay is now in front of the environmental zones. Let's click Setup to finish. You just saw how to rearrange the order of the custom overlays. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.